am Harsh Makadia. I am working with Zuru since last 5 years. My role here is as a front-end lead. So the day-to-day task includes managing the teammates, defining tasks for them, reviewing the code, defining the software architecture required in order to build the application. I also love mentoring interns because I think that the initial journey when they start is hard. People tend to quit, so I love sharing my lessons with them so that the things become easy for them, because I am having over 6 years of experience now. I share my lessons so that the journey for them becomes easy. Zuru has not only helped me improve my technical skills, but also I have improved my soft skills a lot after joining Zuru. I think soft skills matter the most as you climb up the ladder, because along with the technical skills, having soft skills definitely helps. Every day at Zuru is an opportunity to keep learning new things, because we are working on the latest technology like React.js, Golang, Next.js. So there are different things which you can experiment and keep on learning, which is one thing which I love about working with Zuru. And also, as we are growing, managing the team becomes challenging and fun at the same time. Initially, when I was working at Zuru, I was working alone, but now I am a bit at leadership role where I manage the team, making sure that every task is completed on time, understanding their pain and mentoring them in the right direction so that we grow together. Because at the end of the day, what matters the most is how we work together as a team. So I love working with them and figuring out what works well for everyone. Working with Zuru is even more fun because we work with international teams such as China, Italy, New Zealand. So adapting to their cultures, their time zones has been a great experience. One of my favorite moments at Zuru was when I first went to Italy in order to work with the Italy team. It was a great experience for me, understanding how the things work. I got to know more about the team bonding, the importance of connecting with each other over the team. How I joined Zuru, there is a funny story behind that. I saw this software which was used for building the houses and everything. So I was like, how can we even code such a big software? Because basically I always work with a normal web application which do not have any complex things in it. So this was something out of the box, and I thought that I wanted to know like how the things work and everything. So this curiosity got me into this Zuru. And once I joined Zuru, initially there were only 2 to 3 people in there, so there was no processes set. So it was like a startup, more or less like a startup where there are 2 to 3 people come together, discuss on the problem and solve, rather than a complete process. All the things were like straightforward, and as soon as the team started on growing, we had a lot of different processes in place so that every new person who joins Zuru, they are able to adapt to the new culture and things. Initially when I joined Zuru, I was UMG developer, so I was exploring around the things with C++, how the software works. But later on we decided to migrate it to the latest technologies like React.js. So this was a big challenge for us, that we were working on some of the groundbreaking changes which we need to do in the software, and it was fun because we were early adopters of the new technology. Like React.js was in the market and we started implementing that. So that was one of the challenging moments which I had, but it was fun at the same time because there were a lot of new opportunities to learn, and every day was a challenge at the beginning. Coming to the culture we have in Zuru, it is more or less like a family where we sit together, celebrate different festivals, have pizza parties. Along with that, we also make sure that we are continuously learning. That's why we attend different conferences that helps us grow technically and understand what is happening in the industry. So it gives an opportunity to connect with the different regions, different countries. Everyone at Zuru is ready to take up the challenge. So sometimes what problems we faced is like whenever we have good problem to solve, everyone is behind that, okay, I want to solve this problem, because everyone has a competitive nature wherein they try to do their best. Our team bonding is good, like we are not limited only till office hours, but we also hang out with them outside the office hours, weekends, we go together. So it is more or less like a good family. I have been with Vishal since the beginning, almost 5 years now. He is always ready to help others, and his company is fun to be around with. I have learned a lot. Apart from the technical things, there are a lot of different things. He shares his knowledge and his experience, which is kind of interesting because you get to learn a lot with him. He is the one of the best support systems Zuru has got. He is available 24/7 and he is ready to help no matter what.